Hi, I am Jennifer Claywell. I'm sad to not be there in person to meet you guys tonight, but I have your student in advisory. So this is my second year with this advisory group. I'm excited to continue with them. Just a little bit about myself in case we didn't get to meet last year, engage last year. From St. Louis, Missouri, moved here to Indiana to go to Purdue for college. After college, moved to Indy, and I've been in Indy since. This is my seventh year of teaching, my sixth year or fifth year here at Heron. So I am thankful for, just the time I've been able to put here and be around students, and excited for another year with your students. In advisory, we'll be going over any announcements or policies that the school wants us to push out. And then we will be going through grade checks. So like once a week, we will conference about grades, and I'll meet with each student one-on-one to see how they're doing about their grade. So advisory really is just like a home base or a homeroom that they get to go through their high school experience with. And we have a chance to get any information we need, and also just like check in with each other. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'm looking forward to another year with your students. Bye.